In the lively village of Playfulshire, where laughter bubbled like cheerful streams, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of playful adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and twinkling eyes, had a fantastic idea: a game called Playfulshire Story Cubes. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Playfulshire, Fluffly wagged his tail and presented story cubes adorned with simple pictures. The friends were excited, ready for the imaginative storytelling challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned the village square into a storytelling wonderland. The Playfulshire story cubes were ready to roll. Each child, with eager smiles, took turns rolling the dice, revealing a mix of pictures. With a hop and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the story adventure begin!" The children, with giggles and grins, peered at the pictures on the dice, ready to weave a tale. Benny, with his creative mind, rolled the dice, revealing a tree, a star, and a boat. Giggly Gus, with his imaginative spirit, began the story. Once upon a time, there was a magical tree in Playfulshire. It had a star at the very top that twinkled in the day and night. One day, a friendly boat sailed by, and the tree and the star decided to go on a grand adventure together. Lila, Zoe, and Fluffly took turns rolling the dice, adding more elements to the story. Each roll brought new characters, places, and surprises. The village square echoed with laughter and the joy of storytelling. With a playful twirl, Fluffly added a challenge. Now, let's use the words and phrases we know to tell the story. The children, with their lively imaginations, incorporated words like happy, jump, and friends into their tale. Playfulshire became alive with the magic of storytelling. With each new roll, the story unfolded, filled with laughter and creative twists. Fluffly, the storytelling maestro, guided the children through a world of adventure and friendship. The Playfulshire story. Cubes became a magical tool for the friends to explore the wonders of storytelling together. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Playfulshire Story Cubes game a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the village square, sharing stories of their imaginative adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cosy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their storytelling escapade. As the sun set in Playfulshire, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of stories and creative play. The Playfulshire story. Cubes became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and imaginative storytelling. With dreams of more story adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the lively village of Playfulshire. In the bustling town of Cheerfulburg, where laughter echoed like bouncing balls, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were getting ready for a day of lively adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and gleaming eyes, had an exciting idea: a game called Cheerfulburg Rhyme Time Relay. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Cheerfulburg, Fluffly wagged his tail and set up a relay race with words that rhyme. The friends were thrilled, ready for the word-matching challenge and the fun movements Fluffly had planned. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned the town square into a rhyme-filled racetrack. The Cheerfulburg Rhyme Time Relay was ready to begin. Each child, with eager smiles, lined up for the relay race, ready to find and match rhyming words. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, let the rhyme time relay make cheer. The children, with giggles and grins, hopped, skipped, and danced between stations, each hosting a pair of rhyming words. Benny, with his swift legs, dashed to the first station and found the words cat and bat, matching them with a joyful cheer. Zoe, with her skipping prowess, hopped to the next station and paired sun with fun, while twirling in delight. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, leaped to the third station, discovering dog and log with a triumphant shout. Lila, with her radiant smile, giggled as she reached the final station, matching rain with train. The town square echoed with cheers and laughter, the joy of the cheerful Berg rhyme time relay filling the air. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. Now, let's use our bodies to act out the words. The children, with their imaginative spirits, acted like cats and bats, pretended to be the shining sun and the fun that comes with it, wagged their tails like happy dogs, and pretended to be logs, and chugged like trains in the rain. Cheerful Berg came alive with the sounds of laughter and the delightful actions of the rhyme time relay. With each relay lap, the friends discovered new rhyming words and celebrated their creative movements. Fluffly, the rhymer master, guided them through a world of words, laughter, and playful cheer. The Cheerful Borg Rhyme Time Relay became a magical way for the friends to explore the wonders of language and movement together. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Cheerful Berg Rhyme Time Relay a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the town square, sharing stories of their word-matching and action-packed adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cosy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their relay race escapade. As the sun set in Cheerfulberg, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of words and active play. The Cheerfulberg Rhyme Time Relay became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and rhyming fun. With dreams of more rhyme-filled adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of lively surprises in the bustling town of Cheerfulberg.